Welcome to 251 First Avenue, Cultus Lake, BC. Listing courtesy of Calvin Muxlow with Century 21 Creekside. Listed at $895,000, this 4-bedroom house has 2 bedrooms upstairs and 2 bedrooms downstairs, with the potential for a full guest suite downstairs. This home does need some love, but it is nice and close to all of your local Cultus Lake amenities, your amusement park, your water slides, main beach, boat rentals, and everything else that Cultus Lake has to offer. Let's go on inside and take a peek. If you see the potential to turn this house into a home, feel free to give me a call at 778-255-1818 or shoot me an email at deannagrayrealestate@gmail.com. Again, this 4-bedroom house is listed at $895,000, is a steal of a location, listing courtesy of Calvin Muxlow at Century 21 Creekside. Have a great day.